Hello everyone. Welcome to 친 영어 치트키. 오늘은 우린 자연스럽게 쓰고 있지만 원어민은 알아듣지 못하는 콩글리시 Part 1 일상생활 편 시작합니다.
AS, after service, warranty, repair.
제 핸드폰 AS 맡겼어요.
I sent my phone in for repair.
I sent my phone in for repair. 원룸, studio apartment.
저 원룸 살아요.
I live in a studio apartment.
I live in a studio apartment. Rinse, conditioner.
오늘 린스했어요.
I used conditioner today.
I used conditioner today. 가글, mouthwash.
가글 좀 해.
Use mouthwash.
Use mouthwash. 헬스, gym or fitness center.
헬스장 가요.
I am going to the gym.
I'm going to the gym. 선크림, sunscreen.
선크림 발랐어요.
I put on sunscreen.
I put on sunscreen. conning, cheating.
가능하지 마.
Hey, no cheating.
Hey, no cheating. 포크레인, excavator.
포크레인 정말 크다.
The excavator is huge.
The excavator is huge. consent, outlet or socket.
컨센트 어디 있어요?
Where's the outlet?
Where is the outlet? stand, desk lamp or lamp.
스탠드 켜주세요.
Turn on the desk lamp.
Turn on the desk lamp. sign, autograph.
사인해주세요.
Can I get your autograph?
Can I get your autograph? 노트북, laptop.
내 노트북 정말 느려.
My laptop is so slow.
My laptop is so slow. 와이셔츠, dress shirt.
오늘 와이셔츠 입으세요.
Wear a dress shirt today.
Wear a dress shirt today. 백미러, rear view mirror.
백미러 보세요.
Check the rearview mirror.
Check the rear view mirror. skinship, physical affection.
난 스킨십이 좋아.
I like physical affection.
I like physical affection. 프리사이즈. One size fits all?
프리사이즈예요.
It is one size fits all.
It is one size fits all. 서비스. On the house. free.
이건 서비스예요.
This is on the house.
This is on the house. meeting. blind date.
오늘 미팅 있어요.
I have a blind date tonight.
I have a blind date tonight. morning call. wake up call.
모닝콜 부탁해요.
Can I get a wake up call?
Can I get a wake up call? 아이쇼핑. window shopping.
2시간 동안 아이쇼핑했어.
I spent 2 hours window shopping.
I spent 2 hours window shopping. 커닝페이퍼. cheat sheet.
커닝페이퍼 만들었어요.
I made a cheat sheet.
I made a cheat sheet. 오픈카. convertible.
오픈카 타고 싶어요.
I want a convertible.
I want a convertible. 추리닝. tracksuit or sweats.
나 추리닝 입었어.
I am wearing a tracksuit.
I am wearing a tracksuit. one piece dress.
원피스 예뻐요.
That dress is pretty.
That dress is pretty. 후드티, hoodie.
나 맨날 후드티 입어.
I always wear a hoodie.
I always wear a hoodie. 난닝구. Undershirt or tank.
난닝구 하나 필요해.
I need an undershirt.
I need an undershirt. 개그맨. Comedian.
그는 개그맨이에요.
He is a comedian.
He is a comedian. 믹서. Blender.
믹서에 넣어줘.
Put it in the blender.
Put it in the blender. 타이어 펑크. Flat tire.
타이어 펑크 났어요.
I have a flat tire.
I have a flat tire. 깁스. Cast.
발에 깁스했어요.
I have a cast on my arm.
I have a cast on my arm. BJ. Streamer or live streamer.
저 BJ입니다.
I am a live streamer.
I am a live streamer. 렌즈. Contacts or contact lens.
렌즈 꼈어요.
I am wearing contacts.
I am wearing contacts. Jelly. Gummy or gummy candy.
젤리 샀어요.
I bought gummies.
I bought gummies. Hip. Butt or hips.
오늘 힙 운동했어요.
I worked my hips today.
I worked my hips today. 핫팩. Hand warmer.
핫팩 쓰세요.
Use a hand warmer.
Use a hand warmer. 비닐봉지. Plastic bag.
비닐봉지 주세요.
Can I get a plastic bag?
Can I get a plastic bag? 오토바이. Motorcycle or bike.
전 오토바이 타요.
I ride a motorcycle.
I ride a motorcycle. Handle. Steering wheel.
핸들 잡으세요.
Hold the steering wheel.
Hold the steering wheel. 에어컨. Air conditioner or AC.
에어컨 켜주세요.
Turn on the AC.
Turn on the AC. 리모컨. Remote or remote control.
리모컨 어디 있어요?
Where is the remote?
Where's the remote? Magic pen. Permanent marker.
매직펜이 필요해.
I need a permanent marker.
I need a permanent marker. Spec. Qualifications or credentials.
그 친구 스펙이 참 좋아.
He has strong qualifications.
He has strong qualifications. Mind. Attitude.
당신 마인드가 좋아요.
I like your attitude.
I like your attitude. 멘탈 나가다. Lost it.
멘탈 완전 날았어요.
I totally lost it.
I totally lost it. Tension. Energy or hype.
왜 이렇게 텐션 올라갔어?
Why are you so hyped?
Why are you so hyped? Condition. Feel or feeling.
컨디션 괜찮아?
Are you feeling okay?
Are you feeling okay? Event. Promotion.
이벤트 중이에요.
We are running a promotion.
We are running a promotion. Claim. Complaint.
클레임 넣을게요.
I will file a complaint.
I will file a complaint. Complain. Complaint.
컴플레인 하고 싶어요.
I'd like to make a complaint.
I'd like to make a complaint. 이미지 트레이닝. Visualization.
경기 전에 이미지 트레이닝 해요.
I do visualization before the game.
I do visualization before the game.
어떠셨어요? 이제 콩글리시 쓰지 말자고요.
다음은 비즈니스 콩글리시로 만나요. 영상이 도움되셨다면 좋아요, 알림, 구독, 짠!